Okay students, hello everyone, this is video number 32 and today we will be doing course book. Okay, and our lesson is, this is a poem, a spaceship landed over there. So today we are going to do this poem, and before I start this poem, let me show you the picture. See the picture. This is a spaceship. Okay, spaceship. So today we will do this poem. And this poem, A Spaceship Landed Over There, this poem is written by Mac Wilkie. He is a poet from Tennessee, USA. Though an electrical engineer by profession, he has been writing stories and poems since he was in high school. So let's start this poem. First I will recite the poem for you, and then I will just give you the summary of the poem. I will explain you the poem stanza wise. But first let me recite the poem. A spaceship landed over there. No one has believed me yet. I walked on over after dark and took my friend the vet. We could not find the little men. We searched and searched inside. So I sat in the pilot's seat and said, "Let's take a ride." A voice said, "Early Earthman." Then a glass dome dropped around. My nerves grew calmer when I heard a high-pitched hissing sound. My friend, the vet, was diagnosed, perhaps I guess by smell. Some gizmo stashed him in a case which did not fit him well. We traveled fast through space and time to planets far and near, and ended up where we began, on early Earthman's sphere. Inoculation, then yes and no, words flashing on a screen. I smiled as I selected yes. Now Dr. Bill is green. He hasn't had a cold in years, but sometimes late at night he swings through trees. I wonder which is worse, his bark or bite. Okay, so this is the poem. Now you tell me, what is the meaning of spaceship? What you know about spaceship? Okay, the other word for spaceship is spacecraft, flying saucer. Okay, and a spaceship is a machine designed to fly in outer space. So a spaceship is a machine that is designed to fly in outer space. You can see the picture also, how it looks like. You must have seen in movies, you must have seen on internet. So this is a spaceship. Now what is this poem all about? I recited the poem for you. Now let me tell what is this poem all about. In this poem, the poet is describing his journey. Okay, in the spaceship. He tells that a spaceship landed over there, but no one believed him at that time. Okay. Now in the next stanza, only his friend, who was a vet means veterinary doctor. Okay, the doctor who looks after animals. So only his friend, who was a vet, believed him and went with him to see the spaceship. Then he and his friend got into the spaceship and they searched for the spaceman. When they got inside the spaceship, they started searching for the pilot. They started searching for the person who was driving this spaceship. They searched for the spaceman or some little man, but they couldn't find any of them. But they got into the spaceship. There was a sound. So when they got inside the spaceship, they heard a sound, and the poet heard that someone was addressing them as Earth's man. There was a sound, the early Earthman. And finally what happened? And a glass dome got down. Now what is the meaning of this doom? Doom means a round structure with a circular base. So doom is a round structure with a circular base. You can see circular base and a round structure. So finally the glass doom got down, and now they were inside the spaceship and they were caught in the spaceship. Next, see what will happen. This scared the poet. Obviously, now he was caught inside the spaceship, and so he was scared. This scared the poet. Then a high-pitched voice calmed down the poet. The poet's friend was caught in a cage because a strange smell was coming out of him. See, my friend, the vet was diagnosed, perhaps I guess by smell. Some gizmo stashed him in a cage which did not fit him well. So the poet's friend was caught in a cage, and why he was caught in a cage? Because a strong smell, a strange smell was coming from him. Maybe because he was a veterinary doctor, so the smell was coming. What is the meaning of this stashed? Stashed means trapped. Stashed means trapped. Gizmo is a device. So that doctor was caught in a cage. We traveled fast through space and time to planets far and near, and ended up where we began, on early Earth man's sphere. So then the poet and his friend wanted to enjoy, and what they did, they traveled to the space and different planets near or far. They enjoyed very much and finally landed up on Earth. So they enjoyed very much. They enjoyed their ride. They traveled to the space. They traveled to different planets, all the planets which were near, the planets which were far. They enjoyed the journey, and finally they landed up on Earth. So they came back to Earth. But a strange incident happened during this journey. Okay, and what was that incident? Let us see. Strange also and funny also, as you can see in the picture also. See the picture. What you can see in the picture, that there is a person, you can see in the picture that there is a person. Okay, and what this person is doing, he is swinging through the trees. Who is this person? Can you guess? He is his friend, the vet. Okay, so he is his friend, the poet's friend, the vet, and he is swinging through the trees. Now let us see that why he was swinging through the trees. The doctor, see, inoculate, then yes and no, words flashing on a screen. I smiled as I selected yes, now Dr. Bill is green. So finally what happened? The doctor was inoculated. Now what is the meaning of this inoculated? Inoculation means to inject someone with a very mild form of a disease to help resist that disease in future. So inoculation is injecting someone with a mild disease so that that person in future he is not infected with that particular disease. That is the meaning of inoculation. So when they were in the spaceship and when they went on a journey, what happened? This doctor was inoculated on that journey. The doctor was inoculated and there was a positive effect of this inoculation. After the inoculation, the doctor did not catch cold for years. Okay, but there was a negative effect also. What was the negative effect? However, the doctor turned green, and sometimes late at night he swing through the trees. After inoculation, he started behaving like an animal. So this was a strange and the funny thing that happened with this doctor, and this doctor experienced. The doctor was inoculated. After that inoculation, he used to swing through trees late at night, and the doctor started behaving like an animal. He used to bark also and he used to bite also. So after that inoculation, the doctor started behaving like an animal. So this was all about in this poem. At the end of the poem, some difficult words are mentioned over here. See, doom, a round structure with a circular base. Gizmo means a device. Stashed, I told you, covered or trapped, inoculate. Inoculate, to inject someone with a very mild form of the disease to help resist that disease in future. Now in this after this, what you will do, I have already explained the poem, so in my next video we will be discussing question and answer. Till then, you can just give the title of the lesson, you can write the summary of the poem. I've explained the summary, you can write the summary in your own words, and then you can also write all the difficult words with their meaning. Thank you everyone.